motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shout it bad, pop it like a court. You a dork, never been a sport. Pull up, jumping out the court.
What's up, you guys? You already know what time it is. It's your boy Real Too Real. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man. You already know, man. We got Dwani Effect. We just met up with her, the Dwani Effect #2. So you guys know, you already know. We got Noble Vigilance over there. You know what I'm saying? We got the little car meet. It's small little turnout, but hey, everything good. People still gonna show up. People still show up and show out. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. As long as they showed up a little bit. His wheels are sticking in so bad. I'd be scared to, man, I'd be scared to ride that, man. Just because, man, that's just too low for me. Especially with the wheels out, they kind of scare me. Yeah, they got some stuff up here, man. These tuners out here. Y'all already know we got the Civic out here, Type R. You know what I'm saying?
Not just any Civic.
Not just any Civic. No, it's a Type R. You gotta give it its respect. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, big dog? You gotta give it its respect. You know what I'm saying? Got the smiles in right here. No bumper though. Got the 5.0. Yeah, that done sounding good. Yeah, we hear you. Hit that thing. Show me something. Show me something. Come back over here. Show me something. Yeah, boy. Big wing on that thing. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Look, she amazed by it with the big pipe sticking out the back. Yeah, get off that, boy. You already know what time it is. Hey, you know what I wanted to say, but I couldn't say it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I don't know who watching my video. You know what I'm saying? What's up, y'all, man? Y'all on the vlog, man. Just say what's up to the vlog if you want to. Y'all want in the shout outs, let me know. You know what I'm saying? What's up with y'all too? I see you over there, thumbs up, thumbs up. Hey, how y'all doing? What's going on, man? Don't look stiff now. We're here with a camera videoing, that's all. You know, don't freeze up, not because of me. Hey, but I like this joint though. He slam. Yeah, that 5.0 though. Yeah, hopefully some more stuff pull up, man. If some more stuff pull up, you know. Y'all already know what time it is. You know, I don't want to be the one to first start trying to show out and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Got my wife and the guys over here. I don't want to show out too much, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to get around this one. This a tight joint, man. This joint got everything. Got the carbon fiber wrapped on the bottom. Yeah, with the big Bembro brakes. Yeah, this joint crazy right here, the Type R. Yeah, that joint crazy. With the seats in that thing, red seats, racing seats. Y'all already know what time it is. Red, yeah. That joint tight. How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? Say what's up to the vlog, man. Hey, what's up? Yeah. Hey, joint got, everybody slammed down here. Everybody love tuners in Dallas, huh? It's the tuner gang, man. Did y'all hear about the little meet or something that they having in Irving at 8 to 10? We got the Mustang coming through. I can't get another Mustang, man. Them cars dance too much for me. It seems like I got bad luck when it comes to Mustangs. He got a sick wrap on that joint though. Crazy wrap. Yeah, there you go. Pulling in. He pulling in right beside him. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do, you know what I'm talking about? Just pull in like that on him. Yeah, that joint nasty, crazy. Yeah, you know the beast over there here today. You know what I'm saying? Let me get that close up on the beast. Beast over there looking sexy. You already know what time it is. Beast over there. Yeah. Come on, man. We ain't playing. Yeah, they got the custom grills and everything on these joints. Yeah, you already know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at her. It's about the trip. They just pulled up on her. You already know. Pull up with the stick. Let it hit. Oh, hey, how you doing, man? Man, like y'all vehicles, man. That's a crazy wrap though, right there on that car. Crazy.
I gotta say
that RR. Hold on, don't tell me this no sleeper now.
Wait, who's
is it a sleeper?
That's this guy.
Is it a sleeper? Okay. You know, okay. I didn't expect you to tell me anyway. Yeah. Like super cool. Yeah, I didn't expect you to tell me.
I've seen him at cars and
You know how many times I hear that? Yeah, I'll just take your word for it this time. Just this time.
The GT badge off the side.
Yeah. That wrap is crazy. The camera actually catching the colors that's in it. Your camera catching the colors too, right? Yeah, it's catching the colors. Cause it usually don't want to catch them colors like that. Yeah, you see that thing changing with the light. It's changing with the light.
You got that Canon SX 730?
Yeah, that's great.
Is that what you got, really?
Huh?
You got the SX 730?
And we got the Mitsubishi joint right here. With the tag on the side, know what I'm saying? Like it's overseas or something. The black racing rear got the big Brembo brakes and everything on it. Yeah, I like that. Lord. Ah, yeah, he got the little kid at the bottom. I just saw the guy putting it on his Charger at the shop. I like those little kids that go at the bottom of the cars now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into those little kids, man. I got the spoiler that I'm gonna be ordering. So you guys be waiting on that spoiler. Spoiler gonna be crazy. Hear that thing. Let me hear it. Let me hear something.
Come on, do something.
Let me hear something. Hear that low. Got the big boy pipe. Let me hear something. Hit that thing.
What we gonna do now?
Just sit here and wait for something to happen.
Not me. That shit is boring, man.
Good, I like boring.
Ain't this a bitch? I'm waiting on some action to jump off in here. You heard what Mr. Molly said?
He talking about it ain't no. Is he in there? Yeah, talking about it ain't no sleeper. Yeah, that's a sleeper. I know Ralph's tips when I see him. You can put them V6 wheels on it all you want. You ain't fooling me.
Just like the other, like the other car.
Yeah. Come on now. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on now. Peer pressure. Don't nut. Peer pressure.
1 hour later.
There go the winner to my giveaway, you guys. YouTuber subscribe. He been supporting the movement, man. So hey, long as you subscribe to me and get on that bell, man, you gonna get you that PlayStation 4 that you asked for. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted everybody to know that I wasn't playing around. You know what I'm saying? I live streamed it also. Go watch the live stream. I did it fair and square. The other person I couldn't find the comment, but if I did find the comment, they didn't leave if they wanted it or not. You know what I'm saying? And then I told you guys, we gotta be in the live stream too. You know, so hey, my boy won fair and square. See, it picked them. There it goes. So you guys won't think it's a joke. You know what I'm saying? YouTuber random comment picker. So you guys can know that I didn't cheat. It was nothing made up. That guy's not made up. He actually has a channel. Go check him out. So, hey, you guys go support the movement because they help supporting me. And so you guys can see, this a big major shout out to them, you know, and to their channel. You know, go subscribe to them ASAP. YouTube subscriber. You know what I'm saying? I'm already subscribed and got the bell on. You already know what time it is. So, hey, you guys help go support the movement because they supporting me 100%. So, thanks, guys, man. Congratulations to everybody out there. All you guys are winners in my book because we're going to have more and more giveaways. So, you guys be patient waiting on it. You know what I'm saying? We got more to come. Bigger, better, epic giveaways, you guys. So, hey, stick around for your boy Real to Real, man. Hit that subscribe button, man, so you can be entered in the next giveaway.
5 minutes later.
Man, you guys already know what time it is. I'm already in Walmart. So, man, let's go ahead and get this game, man. You won the PS4, and we about to get it. So, you guys told y'all I was going to take y'all through with me. So, y'all won't think it was a game. Y'all won't think I was playing and no cost at all. You know what I'm saying? I'm real about everything I say. That's why they call me Real to Real. Y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, say, man. Come on now. But, yeah, man, we about to get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost over here to the electronic section. So, there we go. About to snatch that thing up. See that price now. Don't think it's a joke, man. They gonna hit you. They gonna hit you. They gonna hit you hard now. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Do I need a bag or?
No, sorry, no.
Okay.
A few moments later.
So you guys, man, I'm about to head off, man, and mail off the PS4, man. Well, you guys thought it was a joke, man. Thought the giveaway was just fugazi and stuff, man. Hey, we ain't playing no games, man. I'm headed to the post office right now as we speak. So, hey, let's get there. Catch you guys when I get there. You already know what time it is. Come on, man. Made it up here to the post office, you guys. So, not a joke. Got it in my hand. Hold on, so you guys can see. Y'all already know what time it is. So, hey, we headed in here now. Go send it off.
My phone company just called me. They're going to disconnect
Coming to you.
It's
it, man. So be expecting your PS4 Thursday, bro. See you the tracking details, so you can track it. You already know what time it is. You know your boy Real to Real don't be playing no games, man. We ain't out here stunting or lollygagging, man. I do what I say what I mean.
She popped the sand, the bitch is sleeping. My crew too fast, police done see me. If they catch me, they gon' try to seize me. Yeah, machine ran, the codes all scanned. She popped the bands, she did it a scam. Running through coin, sunny.